Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the pound-dollar pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The oil-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The euro rose 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Gold prices climbed over 1% on Friday, closing in on its all-time high hit in October, as a weakening dollar in US President Donald Trump's push for lower rates and tariff uncertainty drove the metal towards its fourth straight weekly rise. Wall Street banks are getting ready to sell up to $3 billion of debt holdings in X, the social media platform controlled by Elon Musk. Morgan Stanley bankers have contacted investors ahead of a planned sale next week, as banks expect to get 90 to 95% on the dollar. The Federal Reserve's first meeting of 2025 in the coming week stands to test the resurgence of US stocks as investors gauge the extent of more equity-friendly interest rate cuts in the months ahead. Stocks swooned after the Fed's last meeting in December, when the central bank downgraded its forecast for rate cuts.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 13:30 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 6 GMT. Finland's industrial confidence will be released at 6 GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 5 GMT. Japan's coincident index at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.